Coming up next on Legal Nurse Podcast is Jacque Maki, who will share with you some of the tips on building your business. No matter where you are in your legal nurse consulting business, you need to hear what Jacque has to say. Jacque, what were some of the key points that you covered in your podcast?
Hi, Pat. We covered how to market to attorneys, how to make the sale, how to follow up, how to overcome fear.
Be sure to tune into Legal Nurse Podcast and catch Jacque Maki's podcast. You might have an attorney client base who's stable and you think, oh, I don't need to hear about building my business. But what happens if some of those attorneys decide to retire and the new firm is not interested in working with you any longer? This is information that you need to have no matter where you are in your legal nurse consulting business. So watch Jacque Maki's show next.